Good day, Mathenics. Our topic for today is all about prime factorization. Let us know first what is factor. Factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to equal a desired number. Ito yung numbers na kapag minultiply mo sa isang number, magiging equal sa gusto mong number. Example, what are the factors of 12? Ano ba yung number na imo-multiply mo para makuha si 12? Very good. See 3 and 4. When you multiply 3 and 4, that is equal to 12. Another, si 2 and 6. Kapag ini-multiply mo si 2 kay 6, magiging 12. Therefore, 3 and 4, 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. Another example, 20. What are the factors of 20? Ano ba yung mga numerong imo-multiply mo para makuha si 20? Very good. See 5 and 4. When you multiply 5 and 4, that is equal to 20. Ano pa bang number na kapag minultiply mo, equal pa din kay 20? Very good. See 2 and 10. When you multiply 2 and 10, that is equal to 20. So 4 times 5 and 2 times 10, that is equal to 20. So therefore, they are the factors of 20. Another example, see 30. What are the factors of 30? What are the numbers na kapag i-multiply mo, magiging 30? Very good. See 5 and 6. Because 5 times 6, that is equal to 30. And another is 2 and 15. Kung i-multiply mo si 2 kay 15, magiging 30 din. So the factors of 30, 5 and 6, 2 and 15. Now, let us know what is prime number. A prime number is a number that has exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. Ang prime number, may dalawa lang siyang factors. Ito ay si 1 at ang kanyang sarili. Example, si 2. What are the factors of 2? Ano ba yung mga number na i-multiply mo na magiging 2? Very good. 1 and 2. Kung mapapansin mo, yung factors ni 2 ay si 1 lang at ang kanyang sarili. Kaya si 2 ay tinatawag na prime number. Another example, si 7. What are the factors of 7? Ano ba yung mga number na i-multiply mo para makuha si 7? Very good. Si 1 and 7. Kung mapapansin mo naman, kay factors ni 7 ay 1 at ang kanyang sarili na 7. So therefore, 7 is also a prime number. Another example, si 13. What are the factors of 13? Ano ba yung mga numerong i-multiply mo para makuha si 13? Very good. Si 1 and 13. Kay 1 times 13, that is equal to 13. So, kung mapapansin mo naman sa factors ni 13, 1 lang at ang kanyang sarili na 13. Kaya tinatawag din si 13 na prime number. Now, let us try to identify the following numbers if it is a prime number or not. Unahin naman natin si 6. Si 6 ba ay prime number o hindi? Very good. It is not a prime number. Bakit? Ano ba yung factors ni 6? Si 6 may factors siyang 2 and 3. Kung mapapansin mo, hindi lang 1 at kanyang sarili na number ang factors niya. Kung hindi, meron din siyang ibang factors at yun ay sila 3 at 2. So therefore, si 6 is not a prime number. Now, dito naman tayo kay 5. Si 5 ba is a prime number or not? Very good. It is a prime number. Dahil wala na siyang ibang factor kundi si 1 lang at ang kanyang sarili. Dito naman tayo kay 10. Is 10 a prime number or not? Very good. 10 is not a prime number. Because may iba siyang factor na 2 and 5. Hindi lang 1 at ang kanyang sarili, kundi meron ding 2 and 5. So therefore, 10 is not a prime number. Since alam niyo na paano kunin ang factors ng isang number at i-identify ang isang number kung ito ba ay isang prime o hindi, now let us discuss prime factorization. Prime factorization is a way of finding the prime factors of a number. Isa itong paraan para makuha ang mga prime factors ng isang number. Example, find the prime factors of 8. Ano-ano ba yung mga prime factors ni 8? Ang una is, kopyahin mo muna si 8, then equals, at i-factor mo ito. Ano-ano ba ang factors ni 8? The factors of 8 are 2 and 4. Ngayon, kilalanin mo bawat factor niya, kung ito ba isang prime number o hindi. Si 2 is already a prime factor. So, since si 2 is a prime factor, ikokopya mo na lang siya. And si 4, hindi pa siya naka-prime factor. So, para makuha mo yung prime factor ni 4, ipa-factor mo ulit to hanggang makuha mo ang prime factors niya. So, what are the factors of 4? That is 2 times 2. Kung mapapansin mo yung mga factors na nasa baba is already a prime factors. So, therefore, the prime factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2. Another example, find the prime factors of 12. Ano-ano ba yung mga prime factors ni 12? Copy first 12 equals and get the factors of 12. Okay, the factors of 12 are 2 and 6. Pwede din naman gamitin si 3 and 4. Sa ngayon, gamitin na lang natin si 2 and 6. At ngayon, kilalanin mo kung ang bawat factor niya is a prime factor. Kapag ito ay prime factor na, ikokopya mo na lang. At kapag ang isang factor niya ay hindi pa prime factor, ipa-factor mo to hanggang makuha mo yung prime factor niya. Since si 2 is a prime factor na, just copy 2. And next, since si 6 is not a prime factor, ipa-factor mo pa si 6. Ano ba ang factor ni 6? The factor of 6 are 2 and 3. Ngayon, si 2 and 3 is also a prime factor. So ngayon, wala na tayong ipa-factor pang iba dahil lahat na nitong factor na nasa baba ay prime factors na. So the prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. Another example, find the prime factors of 10. Copy first 10 equals, then get the factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 2 and 5. Ngayon, kilalanin mo ang bawat factor ni 10. Kung ito ba isang prime factor, kukopyahin mo na lang. Kapag ito ay hindi isang prime factor, ipa-factor mo ito hanggang makuha mo yung prime factor niya. Okay, unahin natin si 2. Si 2 ba ay isang prime factor? Very good. Since si 2 is a prime factor, kukopyahin mo na lang siya. Next, si 5 ba is prime factor din? Very good. Si 5 is also a prime factor. So therefore, wala na tayong ipa-factor pa. And the prime factors of 10 are 2 times 5. Another example, find the prime factors of 48. Copy first 48 and get the factors of 48. The factors of 48 are 8 and 6. Now, si 8 is not a prime factor and si 6 is also not a prime factor. Since hindi sila prime factor, ifa-factor natin to hanggang makuha natin yung prime factors nila. Unahin natin si 8 equals, what are the factors of 8? Very good. The factors of 8 are 2 times 4. Now, dito naman tayo kan 6. Ano yung factors ni 6? Okay, the factors of 6 are 2 times 3. Ngayon, kilalanin naman natin yung mga factors na ibinigay natin sa kanila. Si 2 is a prime factor, so kokopyahin mo na lang. And next, si 4. Si 4 is not a prime factor. Since hindi siya prime factor, ipa-factor pa natin to si 4. Ano ba ang factor ni 4? The factors of 4 are 2 times 2. Ngayon, kasunod si 2 naman at si 3. Si 2 at 3 are already a prime factors. So, kukopyahin na lang natin sila. So, the prime factors of 48 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, try to find the factors of 40. And leave your answer in the comment section.